Petersen family. This is my 1965 Fiat 1500. Sorry about my English. I got it for almost 7 years now. The car was showcased in Overhaulin Argentina. Previously it was like red wine color, then was a light blue, and then I put a vinyl on it about a very nice darker blue. Interior was nicely done. All is brand new, and the engine is from a 2018 Fiat, brand new with fuel injection and all the nice stuff of a new car. It rides very well. I was with this car all over the country, made like 10,000 kilometers in one trip. Everything went fine. Well, thank you for this opportunity to show my car. Hope you enjoy it. Please follow me on Instagram and YouTube, my new YouTube channel. So thank you for the opportunity to show this car.